Hi everyone, Carolyn here with the WeTreat app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your goals. Before we move forward, I want to make sure that you're on a laptop or desktop. This cannot be done on a mobile device. Great. Now, when you've logged into the platform, we'll navigate to the left-hand side and click the Settings tab. From here, moving to the top right, you'll see a sub-tab called Goals. Now, why do we have goals? It's important that when a patient is requesting a consultation, they enter in the reason for the consultation, their chief complaint, and that is the purpose of goals. It's very important to review all of the goals and ensure that they align with your clinic. If there's a particular goal that doesn't make sense and you want to remove it from your dashboard, you can go ahead and press the goal and change the status. There's a couple different statuses here. So if you mark it as in progress, that will then remove the goal from the patient dashboard, but keep it on yours because you may want to make it active again in the future. If you want to fully remove it from your dashboard and it's something that will never make sense for your clinic, then you can mark it as not offered and press save and it will disappear from your dashboard. Now, it's important when reviewing all your goals that you also check the additional questions that are associated with each goal. When a patient is going through the platform, they will be asked questions of their medical history. They will choose a goal, and depending on their goal, they're going to ask the follow-up questions that are here. If there's a particular question that you wanted to add, you can add new questions and press save. Say, for example, you wanted to add a new goal that may not be a part of our default goals. You can do that by clicking New Goal. From here, you can add your own photo, the title of the goal, the status, additional encounter notes, as well as questions. There is a pre-screening feature here, but we'll get into that a little later.